and we're gonna go check out The Offspring. So I'm gonna yell and scream all the songs. This place is super crowded and super loud and super fun. Lots of expensive ass food and stuff. So, damn. Any words after that? Hour of Offspring?
I want water, man.
I'm never doing that again.